This is a Models 1 starter kit. This is all a Models 1 Amazon haul. Got them from their Amazon haul. Excuse the noises. My first video. Thank you for watching. My name is Lisa. I am a nail tech, hairstylist, makeup artist from Canada, living in the US for about 10 years now. I can't work here legally, but I still like to keep up with the trends and stuff like that. First we have here toe separators with the nail cleaner, and then this is to buff off extra glitter or anything that gets on there. You get a gold and a silver striping stickers in here. You also get these gems. These glitters, now these three here are butterflies. That's the gold foil, I believe, and these two are just mixed. Beautiful still though. I'm sorry for the noises, it's gonna be crazy. I will get the hang of it once I start doing more. This is cuticle oil that it comes with. It comes with a 600 3000 nail file, a 100 180 nail file with Model 1s on there. You also get nail clippers, if I can get them out of here. You get this nail tool. Now I use it to take off the gel. As you can see, my nails, there's nothing on there because I just took some off. So that's what I assume it is. If I'm wrong, that's okay. It also comes with these butterfly stickers. They're beautiful. Such a great kit. I forget how much I paid. Something like 25 to 30. You get 12 gel polish colors. You get a purple, a dark pink, a light pink, some mauves, some blues, nudes. They're beautiful. You also, with this, get a base coat, a matte top coat, and a top coat. It seems the top coats have a gold to let you know that they're not matte. So this is all you get in here. Now I do have swatches of the colors. They're beautiful, as you can see. This purple here is just to die for. It's my favorite color. They're beautiful. Oops. Put this all back in here. I also got these. Wow, this is hard doing this. I give everybody credit who does this on a daily basis. I got a set of 6 nail brushes from Model 1s. We have, this one has a tiny dotting tool. That's for application, I believe, for gel. This also has a larger dotting tool with a detail brush. I've used that. That one's very good. Another detail brush. This I would use for petals. It just seems like a perfect shape to get petals onto a nail. And then these two are application, normal application, perfect shape to get close to the cuticles. This is slanted. I'd use this to clean up. These are wonderful. Great price. I also got this Model 1's gel polish set. I believe it was called Candy Cane. That's what I've named it. These are 7 mils. They're beautiful colors. You get a lighter and a darker red. You get a red fine glitter sparkle. You get a white, silver sparkle. And then this is like a champagne, I guess you could say. I apologize for this setup. For my first video, I don't think I'm doing too bad this year. This brand is so affordable from Amazon. It was incredible. Now I love fall. It's my favorite time of year on top of the winter. So they had some 24-piece gel polish sets. This is the first fall I saw. There is a limited edition fall. I haven't got it yet. Now when you open it though, you do get only 20 colors. Okay, let's go this way there. You do, however, get they're all 7 mils. You get a 7 mil nail primer, matte top coat, regular top coat, base coat. Then you get oranges of different colors. You get browns, greens, blues, a purple, some sparkles, a gray. They're beautiful. And I have the swatches right here. Mind the noises. I had to swatch them before I did this video, but they're beautiful like that. Orange glitter there, and you got the yellows, just that blue, the Possibilities are endless with this kit. It's beautiful. Cannot wait to use it. Highly suggest it. Got it off Amazon. I also wanted to, while swatching, I ran low on base and top coat, so I got a 15 mil top coat and a 15 mil base coat. This was on sale for $7.99. I could not pass it up. They're huge, which is great. Now, I noticed that they had these color cubes, so I got two. Both are fall. They both come with this little brush. It's actually quite perfect. It says Modelones right there. This application brush made it so easy to apply them to the swatch sticks that I'll show you shortly here. This one is called Maple Leaf. It's beautiful. It has, I hope the camera can catch this, my phone. A beautiful red sparkle orange, some oranges, some peaches, brown. They're beautiful, as you can tell. I swatched them. I've not actually used gel for quite a while, and soft gel even, it just intrigues me. I think it's incredible what they can do to a nail. Here, actually, I'll just show you. Actually, I'll just do this first. And this one, the other fall that I liked, and this is called Urban City. This has greens. This is all matte. Yes, it is. See, isn't that gorgeous? I apologize. Look at all the, I'll figure out the shadows and everything as I go figuring this all out. But they're beautiful colors. And it's so tiny, like in your little hand like that. But it was adorable. This, I believe I got one for $7.99, I want to say, and this one was a little bit more expensive. But I have the swatches here. So here's the Maple Leaf one. As you can see, the red, isn't it beautiful? Then the orange is just, it's chunky. It's quite chunky. And then here's the Urban City one. I love matte top coats. You can see some. These two I did both on. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. And last but not least, that came with this order are I got a pack of 6 nail stamp plates, fall edition. This one has pumpkins. Happy fall, you all. They're beautiful. This one has leaves. So gorgeous. I mean, you can stamp this on the nail, cure it, and then add a few different things and have this as the background and other thing. It's going to be so fun to play with these. And this one I got basically because of the houndstooth here, but so many different leaves that you can color in with paint pots. Here's another one that just has some thank you, hello fall, some more pumpkins. This one says hello autumn, it's a little bigger. And then this one says happy Thanksgiving. There's a little turkey here, a pie. I'm gonna use that pie for sure. And that's all for this haul. Thank you very much for watching. Again, I apologize, I'm new. This is my first video. Things are going to get better as I figure out lighting and stuff. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.